is you might actually have the ball teed just a little bit low,
Okay.
which could lead to that little bit of a low ball flight. Go ahead and set up to it one more time. Set up to it.
I guess I don't do it that high just because it looks like it's over the top of my club.
Right, which makes sense that you can feel that way. But if you look at any of almost all of the longest drivers on tour, almost the most consistent drivers on tour, when they hit the ball, they're actually hitting the ball on an upswing.
Okay.
So their club is above the ground, and their club face is coming up at it, which is you come up at it, there's less backspin that you create coming this way than there is if you come this way on a ball.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
So as we hit up on it, that helps get it launch angle and less backspin, which helps the ball carry farther.
Do I want it higher in the air, though? Shouldn't have more, you know? I mean, I
But-
was pretty...
Yeah, but the ball goes farther
Okay.
in the air than it does on the ground. Did you see how on that one? And I don't know if you saw it, but I saw it. When you finished, you were like this.
Yeah.
That's where that line drive shot comes from.
Okay.
So you need to try and maintain that angle and just like this.
Nice and smooth.
Nice and smooth, and just
Okay.
turn around it. And try and keep that club face from rotating over too much. You want to hit about 1.5 inches behind the ball. You don't need the club face quite as open because, especially with this one, we don't need to get it up very fast.
Okay.
But we need to carry it a little bit farther. So what we're going to do to hit this shot is, we're going to step, same stance, open, but instead of having the club lean so far forwards like this to kind of control that ball flight and get that nice and penetrating ball flight, we're going to open our stance up, or the club face up just a little bit.
Okay.
Because as we open the club face up, it's going to show more of that leading edge and give more of what's called the bounce in play. And that bounce allows this to go like this and bounce off the ground versus digging in. And it's that bouncing like that allows to get that ball to go up in the air. And so we're going to use the bounce to help get through the rough, get that ball up in the air, and land it soft all at the same time.